soft-boiled eggs. Can you believe it? So many people wonder, how can I make the perfect soft-boiled egg? Why is it so hard to do? Really, it's not. We're going to do soft-boiled eggs 101 today, and we're going to show you how easy it is to do and also give you a clever way to eat them. Not just out of the shell, but we're going to do it right. Okay, so first of all, we want you to definitely subscribe, and we want you to hit the like button if you enjoy this. Got some comments on some eggs, you got some questions, put it in the comment file. I'm going to give you the recipe below in the directions, and we're just going to have fun today cooking soft-boiled eggs. So join me, I'm Chef Don McMillan, and let's boil some eggs. So I'm going to boil 2 eggs right here in the shell. I'm going to place them into my boiling water. I have a little bit of acid in there, about a tablespoon of vinegar. And all I'm going to do is just gently put them into the boiling water, just like that. And I want the water to just boil like a little bit of bubbles on top. Not a rolling boil or not a simmer, but right in between, about a medium boil. And I'm going to turn my timer on because I want to cook these for 6 minutes. All right, the timer went off, and now it's time to take the eggs out of the boiling water. And look at this, we're going to plunge them into ice water. Just put them right in there and let them chill for a little bit, okay? And then in about a minute, I'm going to crack them open, and then look what we do next. Well, I just took the egg out of the ice water. We had to put them in there so they'll cool down a little bit, and more importantly, so they would stop cooking. If you did not do that, your eggs would continue to cook and you wouldn't get the desired doneness. So let's go ahead and crack it. I like to crack it on the big surface, not the pointy end, and just tap it like that, run it under running water, cold water, and then just peel back the egg. Don't be impatient. Sometimes they come off in 1 or 2 pieces, other times in 20 or 30 pieces. But just be patient with it. Go around edges like this. So this is when we're going to put it on a sandwich. If you sometimes would like to eat a soft-boiled egg, you can just crack the top and eat it with a spoon. But in this case, we're going to put it on a sandwich. So let me get the other one cracked. So I found this to be one of the easiest ways to peel soft-boiled eggs. Now we are going to have another video where we're doing hard-boiled eggs, and I'll show you even a neater way to quickly peel hard-boiled eggs. All right, be sure there's no little shell fragments there. Good. Now, here's our egg, and I want to show you, I made a neat sandwich. What I did is I took some French bread, buttered it, put some brie, I sauteed some mushrooms, placed them right on top. I've got some fresh dill. I'm going to put my little dill in there. Let's do this. Oh my goodness, isn't this going to be good? Look, fresh dill. Look, 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 look. You know, we're eating right tonight. And eggs are just a wonderful treat. You can do so many things with them. And of course, in our videos, we show you a few, don't we? Okay, let's put that in there. Good. Now, I'm going to divide the egg. It's going to be a little runny, and this is what we want, because we want to just run down and make all of these things happy. Check it out. Check it out. Look. Look at that. Whoa, get back up there. We know you want to be there. Let's do this one. Yes, here it is. There it is. Look. Perfectly soft-boiled eggs. Runny, delicious. Oh, goodness. I know you're going to love these eggs. So, I've got more videos coming up. We're going to be doing hard-boiled eggs very soon. We want you to click onto that. Be sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Also, you want to hit the like button, and any comments you have, I'd love to know that, okay? So, hey, you know when you're cooking with Chef Don, it's simple and delicious.